so hot out there and just unpleasant to be outside. Not only is it hot, it is muggy, it is smoky. So again, just smart to get out there quick and really utilize these morning hours where we are a little more pleasant and hovering in the mid 70s. We will see a fast warm up as we get our way into about lunchtime in the early afternoon, back in the mid 90s or the upper 90s today. But say good morning to Bronson, prancing around the backyard there in some recent sunshine. Sherry, thank you for sending in this photo. You can send yours to KOIN.com/petwalkforecast. Just a good reminder to, again, avoid those long walks today. Make sure your pets also have water and are taken care of. They've got a cool space to get into today in this heat. Now, take a look up to Mount Hood Meadows. Hard to see that blue sky. We have some high clouds and wildfire smoke out there. So it has been shifting around, and we have seen some poor air quality around central Oregon due to wildfires burning and pushing smoke around the state here. We even saw some smoke high in our skies yesterday around Portland. Again, you can see that looking south here. There's that smoke that is out over the horizon there. So thankfully the smoke has not worked into Portland and caused unhealthy air. But for sensitive groups, some portions of Clackamas County and East Multnomah County, there might be a little more smoke, where sensitive groups, you'll want to avoid that time outside today due to that unhealthy air and wildfire and smoke particulates in the air today. We're back in the low 70s though, and a fast warm up. I think we're in the mid to upper 80s as we get into lunchtime today. Also tracking that chance for a few showers or even some active weather. This morning there have been a few thunderstorms revving up and even lightning strikes across the coastline there just offshore. Some of these storms already developing, but we will likely see another push of some moisture. This is monsoonal moisture shifting into the state here, and another round of that might hit the valley as we get our way into the afternoon and evening. So we're going to keep an eye on the mountains too. There is a marginal chance now for severe storms, mainly over the Cascades or in central Oregon, where there could be some damaging weather, like some stronger wind gusts and some of those stronger storms. Not expecting that in Portland, but we might see a stray thunderstorm or a stray shower or a downpour as we hit the evening today in the valley. So here's our future cast. Again, warming up quickly as we hit the early afternoon, maybe around the mid 90s as early as 2 or 3 o'clock. So a fast warm up. And as this moisture streams in, we might cool off a little bit. Some models keep our daytime highs right around the mid 90s. Some forecasts are showing triple-digit heat in Portland. So I think a good range of temperatures will be around 95 degrees to maybe up to 100 in Portland today. But regardless of where we end up, it is unpleasant and heat illness can occur. So make sure you're not overexerting yourselves. Again, a chance for a thunderstorm or two popping up mainly around the Salem area, but we might see that moisture creeping into Portland as we get to the evening time. Any rain and these clouds will also cool us off pretty quickly too. So I do think we'll see some cooler overnight temperatures back in the mid 60s instead of hovering in the 70s. And then by tomorrow we'll get a nice westerly push of cooler air. So we're going to see those temperatures dipping away from the 90s and the triple digits to the mid 80s Thursday and Friday. And then this weekend, look at that, much cooler back in the upper 70s and still summery and pleasant. And if we hit a temperature today above 98 degrees, that chance is there. We'll break record highs today. That record set back in 1978 at 98 degrees. So we'll see if we get there. Again, much cooler though. This pattern switches back to a much more pleasant summery pattern. A little cooler on Saturday, maybe the upper 70s, but that'll still feel very pleasant. So enjoy these summertime conditions on the way and be extra careful and cautious in today's high heat in Portland.
Thanks, Kelly.